is Kim. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me again today. Just in case you can't tell, it is grocery haul time. So this week I tried to do my food shopping from Woolies instead of Coles. So the total of this week's order came to $133. But I did have a $25 voucher to spend with them because it was like a promotion that they had going. So it was actually, I think, just over 150, almost 160, but by the time the $25 and the free delivery, $133 was the end total. Okay, so I'm going to go through all this with you, and then I'm going to let you know what our plans for the week meal-wise are. So I have hard and soft taco kit, some Campbell's chicken stock, got 3 of those, some red onions, some deodorant. I needed a new shower cap. Some tins of tuna, have some chicken burgers, some beef mince, chicken breasts, a dozen eggs, some butter, some Roma tomatoes, some tasty shredded cheese, hats, potatoes, another tuna, some more Monster Energy drink for my husband, carrots, some avocados. Well, they're quite firm still, they'll take a little while to ripen up. A lettuce. Some Ingen's chicken breast tenders, and these are the southern style flavour. A loaf of bread. Some brioche burger buns, another loaf of bread, another deodorant, and I also got some paper towel and a 30 pack of Pepsi Max. So that is everything for this week's grocery haul. The plan this week is I'm going to make, obviously, tacos one night, so that'll be with the beef mince, and then we're going to do chicken burgers another 2 nights, and then I'm going to make up a big batch of chicken and vegetable soup, and that'll last us for 2 or 3 nights. So yeah, that's 5 full meals planned for the week, and we generally have some frozen stuff in the freezer, or we end up getting takeout, which substitutes the other 2 meals. And then we also have like the tuna and some other bits and pieces that we do for lunches. Anyway, that's it for the grocery haul and the meal plan. I hope that you enjoyed us trying something a little bit different by using Woolworths rather than Coles. Hopefully everything is going to be as fresh and as good as what we normally get through Coles. If it weren't for the fact that I had that $25 voucher, I wouldn't say that this was going to be less value, like cost-wise, than what Coles was. It was only the fact that I got emailed that promotion that I decided to give it a whirl. Anyway, as per usual, if you guys enjoy this kind of content, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that little bell so you get notified of my videos in the future. Until next time, bye guys.